Naoki, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to review one of my favorite brands, SUQQU, the Frozen Summer Collection. At the beginning, I wasn't sure if this collection gonna be in the UK because it was launched last month in Japan first. I saw the color online. I was like, some really fresh pastel kind of colors. I wasn't sure if it would work for me, to be honest, because my skin tone is quite tan in the summertime. This kind of color would normally not showing it on my face or it look weird. But as a huge fan of SUQQU, I know they always surprise me, so I will give it a shot. Today we're going to try the Designing color I132, the Frosty Shadow Stick 102, and the Vibrant Rich Lipstick 109. So if you're interested in this Frozen Summer collection or you would like to know how to create this look, keep watching. For those who don't know about me, or if it's the very first time you come across my channel, I'm a makeup artist. So playing with color is like the #1 thing in my career. I've tried tons of makeup throughout the years. If I try something I really like, then I just stick to it. I will rebuy the same brand, the same color. That's why I got so many products from some particular brands. Just a heads up. So shall we start? Let's start with the eye quad. We start with the packaging. You can see it's quite different from normal. It looks just like its name. Okay, we start with the color. The first one, frozen white with a blue shine. It's very pretty, not too much. The second one, pinkish peach. I think this color can work on its own, but can also work well with the eyeshadow stick I got. And the third color, it looks like a duochrome blue, but it's actually a blue-based color with purple shine. I think you can also apply it on your inner corner or in the middle of your eyes. The fourth color, darkest color of this eye quad, a light silvery brown. A light brown base with some silver and golden glitters. Let's start with the eyeshadow stick. It's a dark pink with visible silver glitters. Very beautiful. I think it works on its own. For the lipstick, shade 109, it's a new shade from Vibrant Rich collection. The first impression, I thought it looked a little bit similar to Vibrant Rich shade 4 and 5, but when I try it on, I realized shade 109 is a lot more coral. Okay, now for the demo. Apply the eyeshadow stick on whole eyelid and use a small pointing brush to gently blend it out. Use a fluffy brush to apply the peach color on top of the eyeshadow stick. Then use a smaller blending brush to apply light brown on the outer corner and inner corner. Use the small pointing brush to apply the blue on the bottom to make the blue visible. Use a fluffy brush to apply the white on the brow bone and above the peach, on the nose and cheekbone as highlight. Then apply the lipstick on the lips. After trying on these 3 products from Frozen Summer Collection, I have to applaud SUQQU because you made it again. You made impossible possible. I've never tried this kind of color on my face for a really long time and it worked. So applaud for SUQQU. The color itself works quite well. It's basically a cool tone palette and my skin tone is quite warm tone. So to make this cool tone on my face and still works, it's really cool to see that. It's not too high pigmented, not too overwhelming. It's very natural, light and fresh. So I have to say this eye quad really surprised me. For the eyeshadow stick, the glitter is really pretty. I think I can just use it on its own. It's really summery, really fresh. With this lipstick, if you want the color to be more vivid, you can apply slightly more layers. But if you just want to go for a really natural look, you can apply on just 1 layer to see a wash of color on your lips. So here it is, the 3 new products from SUQQU Frozen Summer Collection. Let me know how it works for you. If you like this collection or not, have you tried the eye quad eyeshadow stick or you prefer the UK exclusive pre-summer collection? Leave a comment below and let me know. I will see you next time.